we insert our W blocks into the final assembly for the minor project, we do find that there are some lines in the blocks that are not wanted. For example, when we move this bearing into position, and I'll just place it, I won't do all of them because you can see the effect with just one of the objects. So let's just put this bearing in place on the end of the shaft, and we can see that there are lines here that would not be visible in the assembly. We don't want to change our original block or our original drawing, original W block, but what we can do is if we double click, we can go into the block editor. It highlights the part that we've clicked, and this is just like a little drawing program within the drawing program. So we can actually go and just take out the bits we don't want, and it will only affect the blocks that we've used in this drawing. So I'm going to use the modify break command. We'll select this line, and I have to tell it I'm now going to select my first point. So I want to go from there up to there. Okay, so I've cut out that one side. I won't do the other side now just to keep it quick, but you would need to do both sides for one side and the other end of the shaft. But I'll just close the block editor. I'm going to save the changes, and you'll see that that line that I didn't want has been taken out. Of course the one is still on the other side, but we can't see it because it's overlapping anyway with a line that is there. Same thing here with this shaft. There's a line there that shouldn't be there. We can just go into the block editor and we can take that out and close and save, and the unwanted line is gone, and our original drawing will be unaffected. It's only in this drawing. We don't want to explode these. If we explode them, you can see here that corrections have been made in this drawing by actually exploding the original drawing and then removing the unwanted parts. But then you get a whole mishmash of lines, and if you need to move them around, it becomes a lot more difficult than if they're maintained as blocks. So this is the way to go, use the block editor.